Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stream YouTube inside Streamlabs. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download Streamlabs on your mobile device. This works for both iOS and Android device users. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Streamlabs. Okay, now once you've opened up Streamlabs, what you want to do is to sign in. So click on the three horizontal lines top left hand corner and make sure to sign in. As you can see, I'm signed in. There'll be an account option here, a sign in button. Once you've done that, head back, and now what you want to do is click on go live down the bottom here. And now from here you need to select the platform, so go ahead and click on select the platform. And if YouTube isn't showing here, click on connect another account. And if I scroll down, see how all these other apps, it says merge. I've already logged into YouTube as tutorial is. So I'll log out of here and I'll show what it looks like. So for you, it'll look like login, the red button. So go ahead and click on login, and now choose an account to continue to Streamlabs. I'm going to click on tutorial is. And now from here, click on continue. Scroll down, allow. And as you can see, I am now logged in. And if I go back here now, go back again, go live, click on go live, and then select the platform, and then click onto YouTube, and then click onto next, and then you can choose an option here, an active event, upcoming event, or create an event. I'm going to click on create an event for a new broadcast, and then give it a title, description. You can make it public, unlisted, or private. You can schedule it a later date, upload a YouTube thumbnail, which is optional, and then click on go live, and that's how to go live. Thanks for watching.